What is up, guys? We're back with another video, and today we want to address a problem we've come across over the last couple of driving tests. You ready?
I'm ready.
We've had a few heated debates recently about the polls that I've been putting out on YouTube.
Yeah, come on, guys. What is this all about? Like, how is he constantly winning? Like, come on, where are my fans at? Come on.
I've won the last two polls on who's a better driver head to head. On driving tests, it's not essential to drive perfectly. They're not assessing how perfectly you drive or how well you can follow directions. All they're assessing is how safely you can drive. And it's really hard to do a perfect driving test. So, when you aim for a perfect driving test or you aim for perfection, it's going to put you under more pressure and it's going to help you fail your driving test. So what we're going to do today is we're going to show you how hard it is to drive perfectly. We're going to give you the perfect driving test, aren't we?
I am, yeah. I will deliver the perfect driving test.
I'm going to put out another poll. We're going to take it in turns. As soon as Laura messes up, she's going to jump out and I'm going to drive and show you actually how to drive perfectly. So if a driving instructor can't do a perfect drive on a driving test, you don't need to aim for that either. But let's see if we can actually drive perfectly and who can drive more perfectly for the longest. Yes. Guys, check out the poll on the community tab after this video and let us know who you think, for the third time, is the better driver.
Third time lucky.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go. Drive on. How hard do you have to concentrate to drive really perfectly?
You have to have good concentration skills and you need to just be very aware. So on.
Oh, look at Laura, she's really trying now. Pull up on the right in a safe place.
After
Do you want me to
100 yards, turn right.
What is that voice on your side? That's not Serena. Okay, reverse back 2 car spaces. Let's see how quickly I can get Laura to mess this up. Oh, checked behind it at least this time. All right, good. Really nice. Good positioning from the curb. Nice end. Good observation. Let's drive on. Why am I checking like you can't drive?
Turn left, then turn right.
Okay, you've gone up to 24 miles an hour there. Pull over, my turn.
It's 30 here.
It's not?
Is it not?
Is it?
There's no road signs.
If we see a 20 sign at the end of this road, you failed. 30 at the end of the road! Failed already! Pull up on the left. Swap seats, my turn.
Boom! See, that's what happens. You need to make sure every time you turn into a new road, you're checking for the conditions of that road. What's the speed limit? Are there humps? What else is up that road?
You were concentrating so much you weren't even talking and you still failed. 24 miles an hour to 30 and you live around here.
Let me take it out of midget mode.
Okay, guys, I know my track record on mock tests isn't great, but you know why I failed them? To give you guys entertainment. And I'm going to show you how to pass it. Mirror,
Turn left,
signal,
then turn right.
position and speed, and look. What I'm going to do for this is talk to you about what I'm doing, because that's going to keep me focused more than anything else. So 19 miles an hour, I'm keeping my speed steady. Want to know what's behind me, so I'm checking around. 19 miles an hour still. If you want to pass your driving test perfectly, which you don't want to drive perfectly. You want to get up to 15 minors. You're allowed 15 minors, why not use them?
At the end of the road, turn left, then turn right.
Mirror, signal, position,
Turn left,
talking myself
then
through it.
Turn right.
so that I can keep myself focused. I know when you do mirror signal position speed, that's like first lesson stuff, second lesson stuff. Super basic, but it keeps you focused. It makes sure that you don't forget anything. It's a checklist. If I'm following the checklist, I'm going to do it perfectly. Okay, car's pulling over. Mental note. Nice safe overtake.
Turn left.
Mirror.
Oh, I was
Signal.
waiting for that mirror check on the way back in there. Well done. Okay, Francis, you're doing. Oh, what do you think about that? That was a little bit. You didn't look properly. I think that's
looked
my
left
turn
and
now.
right.
You didn't look. You didn't slow down enough to deal with that DPD van. You don't.
I haven't
know.
even crossed the giveaway line. What are you, Trunchable?
At the end of the road,
But we-
turn
Do you want to be a Trunchable or a Leroy?
then right.
I'm a Leroy all day long.
Can't quite see the junction. Mirror check before I move around. I'm not giving the examiner any excuse to fail me there.
Oh, a bit late of a signal there, I think. Late signalling.
Okay, minor.
Definitely late signalling. Driver
Late signal,
fault.
minor.
Yeah.
Driver fault.
But so it's my turn.
Damn, yeah, late signal fault. All right, let me pull over. Laura's turn. I was so concentrating on... What was I concentrating on?
You was looking for the junction.
I was looking for the junction.
And you had that meeting situation.
situation.
You had the meeting situation, so you delayed. It was far too late. 'Cause you had that black van coming towards you. He needed more warning.
that I was turning right because he could have kept
right.
the junction clear.
Exactly
Yeah,
that.
damn.
Move over.
All right, let's swap seats. Do you know what? I thought we'd be driving for a bit longer than than that before making faults. When it's safe to do so, wash and clean your front windscreen.
Don't.
Cross the roundabout, second exit.
Ooh, another roundabout coming up. Second exit. So I'm not going to indicate as I approach, but I'm going to indicate once I've gone past the first exit. I'm going to stay to the left. Oh, let me drop my gear. We're clear.
Like
Yeah.
drop a gear and disappear.
Drop a gear, disappear.
Drop a gear and disappear.
Drop a gear and disappear. I've never heard of that one.
Oh. I'm sure a
Never
few of
heard
them
of
have
that one.
heard of that one for sure.
Your pupils.
Yeah. Okay, let's take the next road on the right.
Next road on the right.
Small detour.
Okay. Small detour. Okay. Okay, so now I'm waiting for a suitable gap. I can walk across the road, I could drive across the road. Let's go. Oh, pedestrian crossing!
She was waiting to cross, wasn't she?
Yeah.
Should you have given her more opportunity to
yeah, I
cross?
should have, because of the new highway code changes, she's waiting to cross. I should have stopped
She put her foot out
and
onto
let her cross. So,
Yeah.
okay, I'll hand it back to you.
One more chance. One more chance. You've had 2 goes. I'm going to have 2 goes, and let's see if we can get to the end of this route without another mistake. Do you reckon I can do it?
No. Okay, we're going to pull up before we get to the white van.
Yeah.
Turn right.
What, can I use the drop curb?
Yeah, ignore the driveways for this
Okay.
exercise. Ignore the driveways. Okay, now we're going to parallel park. Oh, it's parallel park, pull up next to the white van, reverse back into this space,
Okay.
complete the manoeuvre within 2 car lengths, carry on, go.
All right,
Go.
all right. Okay.
Go.
Parallel parking's my favourite manoeuvre.
However, if anyone saw the last video and got to the bloopers, if you didn't get to the end and watch the bloopers. Yeah, let's see if he can ace it this time, first time. Nice observation.
Banging observation.
Nice observations, nice control. Nice finish.
Handbrake neutral. I did that slowly, really slowly.
Mm-hmm.
I also used lots of observation, kind of like just doing it. I know this road's clear, but they
you still
want you
need
to
to look.
pretend that it's not clear. And there's loads of cars and traffic and stuff. So I was playing up to pretending there was a lot of traffic there, because that's what they want you to do on a driving test.
And keeping an eye on Francis' speed. Has he?
Bang on, 20.
Yeah, you have a habit of getting it over and seeing as though you made me swap seats for going over. I am
You can-
keeping a clear watch on that speed.
You can keep an eye on my speed, no problem. Please do. Like when the examiner asks you to do something on your driving test, it's full confidence. Hey, can you do this roundabout? Can you do this parallel park? Yeah, watch this. I've got full confidence because I know that I'll
You're
practice.
showcasing all your skills.
Yeah, I'll practice this loads with my instructor. I want to show you how well I can parallel park. Ah, width restrictor.
how would you advise to deal with width restrictions?
Super slow, first gear. Line up my right wing mirror with the right width restrictor, and then I'll get through. So that's what I'm doing now. If I need to stop, I'll definitely stop as well. Cool. So I've got my right wing mirror super close to that width restrictor, and I know that because I'm in a car, all cars can fit through width restrictors unless you're in a Range Rover or something stupid. So I don't need to worry about the left. If I start doing that, then I lose focus and lose vision.
Shout out to one of my pupils who used to say, if you're in for the right, you're good for the left. However, you still need to look to the left to double check that you are definitely leaving adequate space.
If my right wing mirror is
no,
close
you
to the
definitely
right,
need to.
I've
No, you should definitely
space.
check. Yeah, but you should definitely still check.
Why?
Just because it's good to.
Okay, one-way road. I know where I'm going here.
Turn right.
No problem. Got that. Mirror signal. Because I'm on a one-way road, I'm going to use the right-hand side of the road because all of it's mine. So correct positioning means that I should be in this position because no one can come into the road this way.
Is a signal necessary at this point, would you say?
Yeah, pedestrians might not know where I'm going.
Excellent. Good.
Oh, I thought you were trying to catch me out
Let's
there.
pull up somewhere on the left, please.
Cool. Mirror signal. Pull in. Clutch down to coast the last rest of the way using the momentum. And stop. Handbrake neutral.
I really thought you was going to catch the curve then.
Did you?
I
No, I'm a
really
professional.
thought you was going to catch the curve then. Have we got enough room to register?
We've got a drone in the back. Here. Hold that. Hold it tight.
Okay, Francis, somewhere along this road, I'm going to get you to perform the emergency stop. My signal will be stop.
Okay.
Okay, when you're ready.
Let's do it.
When you're ready, drive on. Stop!
100 yards. Turn right. Then, at the end of the road, turn left.
When you're ready, drive on.
Cool. Prepare, observe, and move.
Ooh, cross
Cross the roundabout, third exit. That's straight on. I can see that from the sat nav. Even though it said third exit, it's straight. There's 2 exits on the left and 1 ahead of me. So, gonna choose the left lane. And I can see a gap if that learner doesn't go too slowly. Bloody Bill Plant. That's a nice car though. Wouldn't want to learn to drive in it. Bloody massive. They signalled way too early. I'm gonna signal exactly when I pass the last exit before mine. And cancel it there. Don't want to follow them too closely either. This is bad positioning too. There's clearly only 1 lane here because there's no white lines painted down the middle. Why are they... Oh, I'm gonna overtake. If you're watching this and that was you, how did you stall while moving? What was that? Wow, that's some skills.
I say, okay, so a moment ago, yeah, you was talking about positioning.
Yeah.
So there's no centre road, but there's no road markings to define 2 lanes.
You're watching my speed.
I'm keeping an eye on your
This is
speed.
what I always fell for on mock tests.
I know, and now look, when I want you to do it, you're
When I'm
not
actually-
doing it.
When I'm actually trying, I
You're
can
really
do it.
determined here, aren't
When
you?
I'm actually trying, I can drive properly. Look how long I've been driving for now. Because I know it was my last chance. So
Sharp left.
no messing about, even though I can't help messing about sometimes.
Sharp left.
I love this one.
Oh, I was waiting for that gear change.
Sometimes people go around that junction really slowly and it's just so disappointing.
Or too quickly.
The whole journey to IKEA is waiting to go around that corner sideways
On 2 wheels.
on the roof. Right, oh, it's taking us to IKEA.
Yes.
Okay, so I need to change lanes.
Nice blind spot check there as well.
Yeah, because there was that
like,
funny
yeah.
angle, so I couldn't see what was in that lane in my mirror.
Roundabout, second exit.
Oh, we're not going to IKEA.
Oh, you nearly left that signal on.
I thought we were going to
Oh, we are, but it's taking us in the other
The other
way.
Okay, cool. I didn't
That
need
was
to
close.
change lanes then exactly, but fine.
So many fine,
20 miles an hour.
nearly.
Spotted it.
Turn left
Turn
under
left.
here. Right, okay. We choose a bay, any bay, and reverse. Bay
Reverse
park,
Bay Park.
please.
Ah, like we did in the last video.
I want you to reverse day park though using my technique.
Okay.
First exit.
Okay, let's see. Your technique is really good. I did like it. I haven't practiced it, so this is going to be interesting. So it's when I can see the line of my bay in my in the corner of my back passenger window, then start turning. There it is. Oh, I can
Nice
see in your little mirror. I'm bob on that one. Almost parallel, straighten up, and stop. That's the end of my driving test, I guess. Happy to say that on the second attempt, I passed. Yeah. And on the first attempt, to be honest, I only did a minor. So it's possible to drive really well, but you can see we're driving instructors. We do this for a living. I know I have a lot of fun on videos most of the time and fail because it's funny, but it's really hard to drive perfectly. So don't aim for it. Don't aim for perfection, only aim for safety. If that's your goal, you're going to find it so much easier to pass your driving test. Don't aim for not making any mistakes. It's overwhelming. Just aim for what's the safest thing to do next. Guys, you know what to do. Get into the community tab where we're going to have another poll on who's the better driver from this video. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you get all of our content as soon as it drops. Thanks for watching. Drive safe. That was fun. That was fun. I thought we'd be better than that. I thought you'd be better than that.
I was meant
you
to be
take
better.
it so seriously.
If I did not go over that speed limit, I would have got us all the way
Straight
here.
away though.
I would have got us all the way here. You know why? It's because when we moved off, I was, you know, and that just goes to show you as well, in your driving test, from the minute you start, you can start racking up these faults. So you need to be on
point from the beginning.
Point from the very beginning, and I wasn't.
You went 24 in the 20 zone though, come on. And that's like 5 minutes from where you live, so you know the area.
It's all for content.